The sun-dried tomato spread for the grilled cheese sandwich is next. So we have our softened sun-dried tomatoes, not in oil. We covered them with boiling water, drained them and put them into the food processor. We're gonna add a couple fat cloves of garlic, a fat sprinkle of oregano, a little fennel seed, red chili flakes, fresh or dried lemon and orange peel, red or white wine vinegar, and about 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, that paste is working. I have some melted butter. And we're gonna brush the outside of our bread. We spread on a little sun-dried tomato spread, a little bit of our arugula or watercress. I like a lot of cheese. When we come back, I'll show you how to serve it up. So we've got our groovy grilled cheeses. Ooh, that's an attractive sandwich.